Clean, ready for the meat. Let's do it. Look at that spoiler. Got Kais and my boy right there, about to enter. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mods. What's up, everybody? Hey, if you're my new subscribers, thanks for tuning back into my channel. If you have recently joined me as a member, thank you so much for the support. You are prioritized on my private Discord server, of course, monthly giveaways. And I'm here in New York City today again after a month doing a car meet. I just made one a couple days ago, so we got a nice wrap right there already. He showed up early. Those two cars in the back showed up early as well, and she showed up early. Believe it or not, she did some great work on her Accord herself through my channel, guys. That's exciting. Like, I love that. That's how I know I'm actually teaching you guys very well, because she did all that herself. And it's awesome, guys. So nice to have you guys back. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share the videos, comment below if you have to. Let's make this video go viral, because I'm gonna have a lot of Accords pulling up, and this is like a movie. So it's gonna give you guys a lot of different ideas for your Accord and everything like that. So this is why I'm making this video. And I actually came here about 2 hours ago, but the drive was like 5.5, 6 hours drive here, guys. So everyone's coming out here, so I'm excited to see all my subscribers here, my previous friends from last time, and things are gonna be a lot better soon. So keep watching, don't skip anything, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around. So since it's still daytime, look at this is her interior. Check that out. That's awesome, right? She did it herself, all because of my videos. She could do it, you guys could do it. She got the wrap on top. See that? She's got the Accord door handle covers, the wheels, and then our boy right here, he's got his Accord wrapped. Check this out. It's a sick wrap right here. Got the front. What you guys think about that one? I made a separate video for this one. Blue paddle shifters, huh?
Yeah.
That's nice.
I gotta work on interior next. I gotta put on my bride seats.
Yes.
Oh, bro.
I like the emblem though.
I get the carbon steering wheel next.
Yeah, people are gonna like that emblem. That's nice. Sweet.
Look at this. Being AC inside
Nice.
of it.
Oh, it's inside of it and they
Yeah.
wrapped over it?
Yeah.
That's unique, bro. That's awesome. That is unique.
In a couple months, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna wrap the other side.
To a different color, like gold maybe? Bronze?
I'm gonna do pink.
Pink? You can do it. You can do it,
Pink
bro.
or like dark shade of gray. Satin.
Yeah.
Something.
That'll look nice. Whatever goes with black, it'll be pretty
And
awesome.
the last mod, air suspension.
Yep, I'm saving up for air suspensions too. Alright, we got someone pulling up. I know we're parking like here and there right now, but eventually everyone will be everywhere. Another one right here. Check that out. You're on it, bro. So step up. What's up, brother? How are you? Anybody else coming with you or no? It was you. Oh, got you. Look at that. I see from last time was kind of, you did a lot to it. Why?
I got a new lip today.
Ah, got you. This is nice. Just pulled up. Look at this V2 taillights right there. Akasaka diffuser. I want to get that in gloss black for mine. Easier. Then we got one of my buddies showed up right there. People coming. Look at this, guys. 2021 Pearl Sonic Gray. I really love this color. Yeah, I love this color. See that small lip? It actually fits on there. You guys were asking about it if it fits or not, but it does. But the center, you see how it looks a bit far back? That's how it'll look. These are fitted for, look who showed up. Sheesh. 3 more Accords just showed up. See that? We're filling a spot. You can park it here, over there, bro. Oh boy. Dion, you can park it anywhere, bro. Time to fill up the gap. Fill up the gap. Look at that.
Yes,
What's up, bro? Long time no see. How you been?
Jay.
Yeah, what's up, brother? Easy. He's about to park this bad boy in. What's up, bro? I like the hat. Yeah, you good, you good, you good. Do your thing, bro. It's all good.
Sir, finally.
I like his banner. He said no one cares. That's because his Accord is a little bit stock, so if people bother him, so he's like, no one cares, straight up. No one cares, Dion. I like it. Look at that. More coming out. Oh my gosh. Hash is here. Yo, Hash. That's the entry, bro. And then you close the doors? Yes. You guys know who that is. That's Hash. Oh my gosh, bro. That's awesome. Long time no see yet. Hey! He's got the beard growing. Nice. Awesome, bro. This is quad tips.
Hey, look at this shit.
We got some Accords coming in early, bro.
That's the best way to get a car, bro.
Look at that. Look at that. This is super low. Did you lower it more from last time?
It's so much lower.
It's literally on the ground, bro. Another one. That's Ace right there, guys. 10th Gen Ace is Instagram. He's got a YouTube channel too. Look at his wheels. He's chilling. Yes, back it up right next to me. Nice. They just showed up right here. And my boy Hash is showing off his speakers right now. Everyone's like right there next to it listening. They're just chilling. More people showing up right now. Yo, Ace, what are these, bro?
RGB lights?
I don't know, but you gotta tell me. What do you think? How much?
80 bucks, I think.
80 bucks? You just swap it with the high beam lights?
Yeah. Let's go,
So that, means,
multi-function.
so that means you got no high beams?
I do.
Let's see his high beams. Okay, multi-function, nice.
What tints you got on your car?
Nice. You got another one popped out. The car you guys been waiting for. Jay's here. We're about to go make a video for that. Yo, Queen is here. Damn. She always rolled the style. Yeah. Alright, so now it's almost a bit dark now. A little bit dark. But it's the iPhone 12 Pro Max camera that kind of makes everything look good at night too. But that's how the car's looking right now at night. We're about to turn on our Underglow lights in a few. So I'll come right back at you. But more Accords pulled up. Check it out. I feel like when our kids grow up to like our age, this is gonna be their project cars.
And then you got the sunroof covered starlight too.
If you guys want to get those Yofer lip, get it from AeroWorks Sports and use discount code RLM5. You can even get the side skirts actually. I'm gonna turn on my Underglow soon. It gets a little bit dark. Yeah, and I cleaned this. It looks so nice when it's clean. Yeah, bro, when it's clean, it's nice. But I know a few more people might pop up right now, though. Anybody say anything in the group chat? No. Not yet.
Someone said they're on their way.
Yeah, so there'll be a few people with him. Yep. Look at this Accord right here. These crazy wheels, bro. Bruh. Nice. And all the way right there. You guys love his Accord. I made a separate video on that. Underglows right there. Quinn, I saw that coming. That tag. I saw it coming. Nice. Oh gosh. This high beams, bro. Alright, we'll see how it looks in a bit again. But I like it when it gets darker. Accords look fire. Look at that, look at the back. Look at everybody's back. Their spoilers. Look at this. V1, V3s, V3s. You got V3s again, you got stock. Then you got V2 tail lights. You got V3s again, you got stock. And then I forgot, I think it's V2s down there. And V3s probably. But, yep. We'll catch you in a few again. So it gets a bit dark. Alright, so this guy's been hiding this from me. Kais did this himself, actually took him a whole day. Look at the starlights. That's insane, bro. Say hi, bro. He's so excited at him.
Can I change it?
Yeah, bro, do it.
It's fade.
Oh yeah, I like these better. Well, you can change it any color.
Yeah, put
But-
any color I want. red, white, blue, green. I like this one though. It's not working. I don't know why it's not working.
And it goes all the way around like the moonroof area. Comes in the front a little bit. Nah, flashing's too much. Nah, stars don't flash, bro.
This one though.
Yeah, this is better. See that?
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. But yeah, guys. That's awesome. I need that in my Ford. Nah, not the 1.5, but a 2.0. Yes, coming soon. What the heck is this, bro? You locked out. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm good. It's alright if I get hit. Look at that, everybody else pulling up right now. Sheesh, look at them Underglow stuff. Just parking over here. Nice. Sweet. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here. Right by the beautiful Underglows right there. A bit tired now and definitely gonna hang out a bit here and then be out. So stay tuned until next time. Make sure you guys DM me at redlinemods.official if you guys want to come to the meet next time and just follow.